Hey, this is Jimmy with Easy HOA. I just wanted to make this quick little video and show you how website forms work. I've gone ahead and put some website forms in here already so you can kind of see how this feature works as far as a finished product goes. I'm going to go over an example on a common area request form. So a lot of HOAs will actually require the owner to fill out a form if they want to use the common area. Let's say there's a little park with a pavilion. So you can set that up. I'll show you how to create a brand new form here in a second, but I wanted to show you a finished example. So we have a form builder that you can add a description and then put in some fields here where people can answer on the website. So it's actually a pretty nice little tool. So you can just go through and add and build this form up and ask particular questions. You can tell the form whether you want that field to be required or not. That's why it has this red asterisk. You can go through and just kind of build this out, and then you can upload particular files. You can request that the person filling out the form uploads a file or an image or a document, and then you can request or require the person filling out the form to sign the form. So this is kind of what a finished product looks like. And then over here, like if you were to go to, once you complete this form and you add it to your website, this is kind of what it would look like from your website. So let's say a random owner goes to your website and wants to fill out the common area request form. All they do is put their name, email, and then go through and fill out this form, sign it at the bottom, and hit complete. And then you, as a manager of the HOA, you'll get a message right here under website forms, and you can see the responses on who filled out that common area request form. Looks like Mark McGuire did this one as we were just testing it. So anyways, that's how the finished product looks like. If you want to create a brand new form, which you can create as many forms as you want, you would just click on this new form button, and you can go through and add whatever title you want on here. So let's just say you are requiring people to register for a party that the HOA is holding. So you can title this Summer Party Registration, and then you can go in and add like a radio button group. You could say, how many people are in your family? And then they can 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and then you can require them to click on a particular radio button. There's different items that you can add. Number in your family. You can go through and kind of build it out based on whether you want them to fill out a field that has check boxes or a drop-down list. And then there's all sorts of form builder tools on the left here that you can kind of play around with. And then obviously you can duplicate the fields or require them or delete them and kind of move them around. If you grab this, you can move it up and kind of just play around with that. So it's actually a super useful tool that a lot of our HOAs are using. Of course, if you ever have questions on how this works, give us a call or shoot us an email. We're happy to help you. But hopefully this video helps you understand how to use this form builder. Thanks for tuning in.